Sherry, I am very proud of you. Like, seriously. I mean, you cried for 30 minutes yesterday.
Yes, we did.
So, just tell me what this means to you and what it took.
Miss Mobley, this means so much to me. It took so much dedication, so much hard work, so much time that I didn't know that I had. Like, I had gave up. I didn't think I had anything in me. Nothing at all. I didn't have my family. I didn't have nobody. When I met you, Miss Mobley, when I met you, you gave me hope. You gave me light. You lit my fire back to let me know, don't give up. It's not over yet. You did so much for me that you don't understand. It's even words that I can't even express to you what you done for me. Like, you gave me a whole nother array of family. I didn't have nobody. I was sitting at home by myself with my daughter and with my son. I have a 5-year-old here. My son is 16. My life was over. It was. Man told me, oh, you will never be able to work. You will never be able to do nothing. But you know what? You gave me hope and you told me God had something better in store for me. And guess what? I did it. In the sun, in the rain, scared of worms, being the only woman in New York with all men. I came in this office, I said, Miss Mobley, where's the other women? I'm the only woman out there. But they embraced me.
Yes.
I look at all the men that I was out there on the yard with, like my brothers or my cousins or uncles, and they opened their arms and they walked with me and they helped me, even the instructors. And I'm so thankful for it. I am so thankful. You don't even understand. Like this right here, this showed me, Sherry, your life ain't over. And I'm not stopping from here. And that's my promise to you. That's my promise to you. And on track trucking saved my whole life and my family. And my family is only me, my daughter, and my son. I have no mama. I have no daddy. I have no one. Yes, I have an older sister, but we wasn't raised together. But I met you, and you never let me give up. Even when I called you and I said, Miss Mobley, I can't do it, I quit. I'm tired, I quit. I'm stressed, I'm crying, I leave, everything. You did not just send me a message. You stopped your life and you called me and you say, Sherry, calm down, breathe, get it together.